Thanks to the Colorado 6050, we doubled the production directly the first year. I'm very proud to have chosen this machine because all the workers on it are very easy to work with it. So they feel comfortable to change the medias, to work on it, to program it, and to launch every productions. We had a very big problem of productivity, and the first day we had the machine installed, we produced directly on it. We didn't do any formation for that, we just produced the first day. We produced the first day 200 square meters. I think that's the only machine on this market, because there are a lot of slower machines, very short or big ones. And in this market, that's the only one, and the only one on this quality.